Here we are, 4 ACP cycles. We have a 2006 Gsxr 1000, second day of the build, turning this to a track bike. Oil's done, racing LP antifreeze is going in. The 4 ACP smog plates are done. Crankcase filter is on. ECU is getting ready to be flashed. The full exhaust is on, tie force. Airbox needs to be reinstalled, gas tank needs to be reinstalled, the plugs need to be installed. So we have a few more things here left before we fire it back up after the ECU flash, and should be coming to a track near you soon. 4acp.com for your track bike builds, dyno tuning, used parts, and new OEM parts. Give us a call, 610-521-9444, or our website, 4acp.com. Thank you.